Hi everyone, this is Imamur. So this is the third class of a Laravel project today. So this is Laravel third class. So in the previous video we have shown that if I go to the folder, if you go to our folder, so you can see in the previous video we have created a product details page in a Laravel project. So what we will build in today's class. So in today's class we are going to make this product list. I mean, we are gonna make some two or three things or four things. So for that we have to do something right now. First of all, we have to make a slider or sidebar.blade.php. In sidebar.blade.php there will be dashboard, product, add product, and a order page After that, after add product, if I go to the second image, there will be a form. A form will open for us. In this form we will fill up this form. After save product, a new product will be stored in our e-commerce website. And if you go to the next part, this is the order list and a order button. We will link up it here and we will make it. After that, the order ID, customer number, customer contact, total amount will be stored database at here. And after that, we have to polish our database also. There are so many gaps in between the sidebar and the main index file. After that, we have created this product page, and after that we will create a add to cart file in the next video. So guys, let's start. I hope you can hear me. The sound is also fine. Okay. So if I go to our project nest e-commerce. So if I go to the file, okay, so this is our file. Now we have to create some folder for us. So we can write every course in today's class. We have to copy and paste some codes because the video will be too long. Okay guys, the recording is also fine. So if I go to the resources file and in the views and in the backend, so we are gonna create the backend system. We will polish the backend system in today's class. So after backend we are gonna create layouts. So normally file, layouts. So now normally we are in the VS Code. Okay, if I go to our project, so a new folder we have to create. What I mean, layouts. So layouts, okay, that's fine. Now at here we are going to create the footer.php or header. First header dot plate.php. Just we will go slowly step by step. After that we will create a nice project. So header.blade.php and enter. After that new and a text document footer.blade.php. So that's it. After that a master.blade.php, and after that at last we are going to create the sidebar. We have to create the sidebar. So we have created this file folder in our project, and if I go to the VS Code, you can see layouts. This files has created for now. What is sidebar? And if I go to the image, so this is the dashboard. You can see this is the sidebar: dashboard button, product button, add product button, or category menu, order menu, add product menu, and dashboard. This is the sidebar, and we will include it in the master.blade.php. So what is the master.blade.php? Master.blade.php is the main sector of a Laravel project. We have to include some files include in the master.blade.php. I mean attach or add. Okay, and if I go to the VS Code, I have to rename it. We have to cut the text. Cancel. Let's rename it by text. Okay. After that, okay, header.blade.php. That's also fine. Master.blade.php. Okay, it's also fine. And sidebar.blade.php. Okay. So if I cut it, okay. So beautifully we have created it. And now the main things of our products. If I go out and backend, go to the backend and dashboard, authentication, layouts. Now we have to create a products folder, PRODUCTS, products, and at here we will create index.blade.php, another text file index.blade.php. Okay, right? After that, we are going to create a create.blade.php. Create.blade.php. Okay, right. So after that, update.blade.php. It's not necessary, but I am going to create it. Okay. After that, just normally go to the backend system, open backend system, authentication, dashboard, layout. After that, product. So I have to rename it create.blade.php. Just cut the txt file, enter. So another file has opened for us, and we are going to rename. So if I read or if I type all the codes, the video will not be long. So I am going to copy and paste some files, and we will type manually only the product index.blade.php. So that's it. So after that, we also have to polish our web.php, but at first I am going to type the product.index.blade.php. So we are going to type this manually. So in products index.blade.php is our home, is our main part. So we are going to create what we will create. We will create. So now we are going to create this image, name, price, stock, and actions. So we are going to create this form in the product.index.blade.php. And if I go to the file, next e-commerce, and let's start. And first of all, we have to extend extends extends backend, the backend layouts, and master. We have to include the master at here. So what is master? Master is the main part of our e-commerce website, right, guys? So master, and after that, section. We're gonna take a section and a title. Okay, title. All products. Okay, so that so section content, the section about our content. So now we have to take a div and a class. After that, okay, content, and now div, a row. We have to take a row. First of all, we have to take a row and start it. That's the rule. After that, we have to take another div class divided by 12 columns. I mean, divided by 2 columns means every column divided by equal part. Right, guys? I hope you can hear me. Column 12. Okay. So after that, again div class. Okay, again. So card. Six, and after that, okay, div card header, header header. We have to give a beautiful style. Display will be flags. After that, align items will be center. GN items center. Items center. I hope it's okay. Okay. So align item center. After that, justify content center. Justify content center, and this is the whole thing. After that, a h tag h5 plus mb0. Okay. After that, it is finished. Products list. We have to finish it fast, as fast as it possible, as soon as possible. Okay. So close the stack h5. So I have closed it. Okay. After that, we are gonna create a ref anchor tag. We have to create an anchor tag. Okay. That's it. Equal quotation. session. After that, second bracket route. Okay. Okay. After that, products and dot create will be written here. Dot create. Why we have dot create products dot create at here, because after clicking on the product list or add product, this create page will open. Products, we have close it, we have open it, create.blade.php and index.blade.php we have raffling, or we have connected with the product.index.php and to the edit.blade.php or create.blade.php. Okay, so we have to close it. Okay, after that, some mistaken. Okay, that's it. Our error has gone. After that, class, okay, btn primary, okay, small, that's it. Now we have to close it. I have start it, finish it, but why this error has come? Why errors come? Button small, everything is right here. Okay, I will fix it, don't worry. So after that, iconify icon or Google icon, we have to link it up. Icons, okay, base, bx plus bx plus me1. Okay, so I have created and close it. After that, we have to close it. Okay, that's it. And add products at here. Add products. After that, anchor tag will close. After that, a div will close. That's it. So now the success alert I have to create. Success alert, SUCCE success alert. Okay, I have to create a comment. So after that, products index.blade.php, we have to take a div. First of all, we have to end session. If session, after that, okay, now here success. Okay, success, and at here another mistake again, because I didn't take a bracket at here, so the error is gone. After that, we have to take a div. Okay, div class, and again alert. The functionality success will be red color. Alert success means red color. I think alert dismissible. Okay, after that, mx will be 4 and row will be alert. Okay, alert again. I have to cut it and I have to finish it here. And area level. After that, close that here. After that, button close. So finish for us right now. And after that, we have to take a button. So how to take a button? Button tag type. After that, button, and again button. After that, plus. Okay, button close. So I have to take a quotation here. After that, I have to close the quotation. Data bs again. After that, dismiss. Okay, alert. Okay, after that, area level close. So again, area level will be close. So that's it. We have to close the button right now. That's it. Okay, button. I have a mistake at here. So I will close the mistake. So the div is end at here. Okay. We also have to fix the error. Okay. So after that we have to take and if. We will close it by and the if condition has finished. After that we have to take div class, so after the div class table responsive, text, okay, table class, table hover, thread tag, now the tier tag, after that again ts tag, okay, that's it. Now just I have to copy it for 5 times. Copy, paste, 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 paste. So at here it will be image, after that it will be name, and after that we have to create a price, after that we have to create a action, stock, and after that copy it, actions, so that's it. So what we have to do right now, okay, we have to also close the tier tag, and after that okay, so we have finished it here, and I have to, okay, it will be here, and after that it will be here. So we have create some codes, we have typed some codes right now, and I'm copy paste the whole page code because the next functionality code will be too long. And if I go to the image, so you can see image, name, price, stock, actions, image, name, price, stock, actions. And at last I'm going to tell you, I will give you the source code of PDF file in the description box, so you can get the codes from there, so you can understand that, you can explain the code, and you can read the codes if you want. Okay guys, so you can see what we have. So we have to read some codes at here, and I will copy paste the other codes. So I have created this file today. Extend the layout master, so I can see the dashboard. If I go there, I can see the dashboard, this dashboard, and master the main part. After this, include the header, footer, everything at here. After that, product list, add product. After that, image, name, price, stock, and actions. If I go to the image, product list, name, price, stock, actions, add product button, and product list. Okay, if I go to the source code, okay, tbody, for else code, I will explain it, but not in today's class. Today's class is a sample class for do the project correctly. After that, if product image, and I will tell you tds strong. After that, product name, after clicking that there, you can see our image, and product state, also the product stock functionality, and you can delete the products also from here. And after empty tag, and false tag. After that, no product found if there are no products at here, and product links at here by pagination links. So I have created it index.blade.php, and if I go to the product.blade.php, control V paste and control S save at here. If I go there in create.blade.php, there are a form layouts.master, and if I go add new products, and if I click there product.index, it will take me to product.index. After that, product name, so product name and input type number, you can type here also number, message, the validation rules are also same, stock quantity, okay, error message, the at here you can see the error message, the stock. After, if you don't have any stock, then an error message will come in the display. Okay, category id, every category or also has unique id, every product has unique id. And if I go to the bottom and section, and you can see route product.index.index. Okay, and so guys, right now I am going to take the main master type. I am going to create the master main part of the e-commerce website. Okay guys, if I go to the image, you can see the dashboard. Okay, master is the main thing of at here. You can see what we will take in the master. And if I go to the source code, this is the master.blade.php, and control V by paste code from the source code, and control S, you can see every JS has linked tab here, analytics JS or linked tab here, where backend assets and admin, and if I go to the public folder, okay, public folder, open, close, admin, at here admin, backend. After that, assets, and after that, JS, and after open the JS, config.js, analytics.js, schoolbar.js also has here. And after that, proper.js, and also tools.js, proper.js, models.js, everything are open at here. main.js, and after that, you can see in the vendor, it's also JS, bootstrap.js, helper.js, menu.js. So in the top, you can see what I have done. I have linked the CSS, demo.css, code.css, icons.css. After that, helper.css and helper.js and config.js. And what I have done today, backend.layouts.sidebar. What is the sidebar? And if I go to the image, this is the sidebar. NEST glossary, dashboard, products, add products. This is the sidebar. I have to also create it. And after the header, what is the header? This is the header, search and our profile menu. And if I go there, okay, backend.footer, what is the footer? The bottom part of the dashboard is the footer.blade.php. I have included it and yelled it, and after that, this is the main part of master.blade.php is the main part. So I am going to take the source code. I am going to take the source code from the master. Okay, from the another project, our main project. And if I go there, okay, sidebar.blade.php, and normally I am control B paste the code, and control S means we need to save the code. And if I go to the bottom, or if I go to the top, so here is the aside ID. Aside ID means the sidebar. Aside ID, open, close. After that, if I go to the top or bottom, NEST glossary. I have created it NEST glossary. So what do you mean by NEST glossary? NEST glossary is the logo of our e-commerce website. And this is the dashboard. And if I go back there, you can see dashboard, routes request. Okay guys. After the shop management, if you want, then shop management you can give. After the products, the main things, the products page. I am going to create the product page in today's class, I promise you. So the route means route is equal to product.index. Okay, product.index. And after that, add products, and here it will be create. There will be not products.index. At here it will be product.index, but at here it will be products.create. Product.create. And after that, the category will be product.category. And I have not built it. I will build it in the next video. And orders.index and settings. And I also take a bcd.front, and I don't create the orders. So if I go to the back our folder, okay, products, and I also have to create a orders folder at here. Orders, okay, index.blade.php. I can show our dashboard orders from here, index.blade.php. Okay, orders.index.blade.php, and if you go there, orders, and I have to rename it by index.blade.php. Okay, I have typed it here. The recording is also fine. Okay, so now I have to take the sidebar. I also have to take the sidebar. Master is here. Now add the footer and header. So guys, I hope you can hear me. If I go to the top, so sidebar.blade.php, you have understand it. And if I go to the foot header, what we have done at here. So there we have taken navbar here and a search bar. This is the iconify icon. Okay, if I go to the bottom, there is also a link up at here, GitHub button. We have created a anchor GitHub button at here. After that, a start. Okay, if I go to the top, and if I go to the bottom side, admin backend assets image avatar /1.png. So I have also added something at here, and after that, authentication user name John. What we have done here, this is the admin panel profile section, profile section and settings. And if I go to the VS Code, you can understand admin. Okay, my profile settings. After that, billing plan and logout button. We are create the logout button in the next chapter. Okay, the footer is also fine at here. If the footer is, that's it. There's nothing I have done. I have just clicked up a image here and a document by script source code made with by encode this them himself. Okay, now we have to create this a order docs orders dot. So I will normally copy the codes from the source code, because this is a Laravel project. I can type the manually all the project. I also have type the products.index.blade.php this file, and if I go to the order.index.blade.php, just normally Control V and Control S. So Control S, the products file has opened for us. So now the most important part, I have to explain the web.php, the route, and I have also include the master at here, extended, and order ID, customer, contact, total number, status, date, and actions. Again, order ID, customer, contact number, total amount, status, date, and action. And if I go to the image, you can see order ID, amount, customer, contact, total amount, status, date, actions. Okay, that's it. And if I go to the VS Code, so everything is open for us. The for else, we have to understand also what do you mean by the for else code. Okay, strong code wordy str pad order by 50 str left. Okay, that's it. And this is the padding, processing, completing, and cancelling codes. Okay, cancel this and delete. You can also cancel it and open this. Okay, so now I have to understand what do you mean by the web.blade.php. What do you mean by the web.blade.php? I mean the web.php. So if I go to the web.php, I already have something at here. Route will be mediated by the authentication by group function, the public function by dashboard. And if I go to the bottom, you can see route resources, products controller from the class. And if I go to the top, products controller. If I go to the top, products controller. So what is product controller? Controllers has given instruction to us. I mean, like I have to go to school. I am a boy, I have to go to school. So my dad or my parents are telling me go to school. Imamors, go to school. So go to school is the instruction by the parents. So controller as the so this is the rules instruction by the controller for the Laravel project. Okay, for the Laravel project. So product controller, we also have to make the product controller by what? And if I go to the Chrome, okay, if I go to the Chrome, so just PHP artisan, okay, make controller, and what we have right, product controller, right, product controller. So you can see Google will give us a new special thing. So to create a controller in Laravel, you should run this using Pascal's case without spacing, such as PHP artisan make controller, running your exact command PHP artisan make controller product controller. So you can see I have already make the controller by PHP artisan make controller product controller. And if I go to the bottom, so our products controller, all controllers, and opens for us. And also for the order controller, I have also created the order controller. If I control P for the search, and PRODUCT. So product controller, if I go to the product controller, every code has open for us, but I can explain the everything, every code. Some course I will explain it to you. And this is the function, this is the rules. Okay, controllers, product, I mean the models. And if I also go to the function, product.php, if I go to pro product.php, you can see product.php. It's also, oh, I didn't have finished it, I have to finish it, but at first I am going to product controller. After that, latest paginate products will be shown us by the category, and backend product.index.php if I return view from the create.blade.php. So create.blade.php will be return view in the index file. If I go to the image, if I click here, okay, if I fill up this file and save product, then I will go to the index.blade.php. This is the functionality I have done it. The product controller. After that, category ID nullable, name will be nullable, description will be nullable, price will be nullable, name, numbering, and stock. Okay. If I go to the bottom, create product, create category ID, name, slug, description, price, old price, stock, image, status. Okay, that's it. And if I go to the top, bottom, return redirect to product.index successfully. Okay. So that's it. This is the form functionality, category ID, and after that I have to normally if request has files image. So if I didn't do it, then I can take the images from our PC or browser. So for that has file, uploads pictures, products, and product image. Name is product image, and if I go to the bottom, return redirect to product.index with success, product deleted successfully. A success metric I also link it up, product image, and then files exit, public path uploads products image, unlink public path uploads products and product image. And if you want to show something like that, so at here you also have to understand the table from the here. So I have already downloaded table for you. So at here you can see in the migration file, product table.blade.php. Okay, you can see the everything at here. Migration blueprint schema, migration blueprint schema. And if you don't understand it, I will explain to you. But I will show you something. What is migration blueprint and schema? Just if you go there and type here migration blueprint schema means what in Laravel, and just normally enter. You can see Google will give us a beautiful instruction. Like in Laravel, schema, blueprint, and migration are three distinction but tightly integrated concepts used together to manage your database construction using PHP code instead of manual SQL. So for the database setup, migration, the version control files that tracks changes to create a new user table. And what is schema? The manager class that tells the database what high level actions what to do by schema. And blueprint means the object passed inside that action to define the specific columns and data types. Okay, right guys, I have understanding. So right now if I go to the folder, so I have to summarize something. What I have to do today, we have to create a products folder. If I go to our folder, just okay, in the resources, views, backend, after that a products folder, orders folder. In the products folder, what we have, create, index, update.blade.php. After that, orders, index.blade.php. And also we have the layouts, so footer, header, master, and sidebar.blade.php. And I also have dashboard.index.blade.php, the main structure for dashboard. Index.blade.php, it is also fine. Okay, that's it. Control S. So after that, what I have to do, I promised you that in the photos I have created it, and just normally I'm going to do here and PHP artisan serve. Normally PHP artisan serve. So there a beautiful link has opened for us by the VS Code, and I am going to the XAMPP. Okay, I'll go to the XAMPP and start. Okay, right guys, the recording is also fine. So localhost. So you can see in the previous video what we have done. Our project is ready, and if I go to the bottom, this product has opened for us, and if I click it here, I click the image. Okay, so I have done this project on the previous video, but in the next video I also have to do that. If I click on the juice image, the juice image will be written at here, and the information of the juice will be written type at here. We will create it in the next video. The sidebar is also working so well. Okay, 1 2 3 4. After that, the left folder, the image of bag. So this is the function. The zoom is also working so properly. Okay, and if I go to the login system, I mean our dashboard, if I go there, localhost, login, and after that I have to log in at here at first, and after login you can see our dashboard is ready. So you can see beautiful dashboard. Check password, you saved password. The password you must used was found in a data branch. So to secure your accounts, Google Password Manager recommends changing it now and checking your saved password. So I promised you what I have done in today's class. And if I go to the image, this image is also perfectly open, and I will go to the home. So the JavaScript is also fine at here. If you go there, so see the Java is also beautifully working right here. Okay, so now dashboard. Now I will click on the products. If I just normally click on the products, a beautiful product section will be open for us. Okay, and an error here. The paginode in the products controller.blade. Okay, I will fix it. So the error is fine at here. The error is gone. So just normally think it. I have created product page and image, name, price, stock, actions. Image, name, price, stock, actions. So I am going to repeat it again. So just normally stay with me and deal with me. Products index.blade.php. If I go to the bottom, products index.blade.php, and if I bottom there, and you also have to PHP artisan migrate. Without it you can see the database. So product index.blade.php hash means category ID. After that, image, name, price, stock, actions. If I go to the browser, you can see image, name, price, stock, actions. And if I go to the add products, and if I click here, you can see, so another error has come. So guys, I think I didn't make a model in the our e-commerce site. So that's for today. So that's for this app models category not found. App models category not found. So we have to create a model. And if I go there, and in the terminal I have to command PHP artisan make model and category. Okay, category, I hope so. Category, 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 and after that just normally MC. Okay, and after that enter. So you can see our category has opened for right now. So normally after that, after creating the category, I have to go to the category.blade.php. Control P CATE category.blade.php. After that, I have to make it bottom and Control A, Control B from the source code. What we have done right now, name slug, product will be selected. Protected will be fillable. Okay, and the has been returned with the product class. And if I go to the Chrome browser, and at here after Control S, Control Shift R, you can see our project will be done. So another mistaken in the SQL. The XAMPP is open right now. So guys, I am so sorry about the late. I have fixed a error. Right here. So this is the same project. Just I am going to show you the codes. So if I go back, I will give you a back button right here. And if I go to the code, you can see products.index.blade.php. Okay, index.blade.php. What we have done at here, we have returned the product to the category. If I go to the product controller, this is the most important part. And if I go to the bottom, redirect product.index. After clicking on the file. Okay, just go at here, and if I go to the normally go to the add products, and if I go there, so you can see a normal beautiful page has opened for us. I hope you can hear me. 40 minutes has gone. I will not take so much time. Just normally I will fill up with this fake filler, So you can see everything has every form has fill up. After that, go to the save products and you can see the products has saved for us. Jureo Hele, I mean any products. Okay, if I go to the again add products and normally fake filler, thus the title will be potato. Title will be potato, and after that I will download an image of potato. I will download an image of potato like this. Just save it, potato, and enter. Okay, it's not an image, it is a HTML file. If I go to the image, okay, so potato image, so that's a potato. Just normally save it, potato image. So that's it. And if I go to the project, just choose file and go to the downloads and potato image and open. You can see our image. After save products, you can see the potato will come. So this, see, you can see the potato will come. Okay, right guys, and you can also delete it by delete function. Delete it. Okay, so our function is deleted. Our function is deleted or our product is deleted. And how you have done it? If I go to the product controller, controller means the main things or the similar things, the instructioner, so the controller. Product deleted successfully. Product deleted successfully. Product.index return redirect with the route and weight. Products images will be uploaded by these hash files. Okay. Product updated successfully. Product updated successfully. I mean, if you have to do something or update it, you can also update by updated.blade.php. Where is the updated.blade.php? If I go to the source code, then you can see here updated.blade.php. So there are some errors. I can see you the whole product. And if I go to the bottom, and if I click on the orders, if I click in the orders, I will click here, so you can see a orders page has opened for us. A orders page and open for us. Order ID, customer, contact number, total number, status. So what is dashboard? Dashboard is a total system, analytical system or the CRM for a business owner or the website owner. He is a e-commerce site business owner or he run a e-commerce site. So the owner, business owner or the dashboard or the admin has something a dashboard. So I have made it by the Laravel, and if I go to the products, the products will also open weekly, and after add products and by the fake filler and just save it. So you can see fake filler and save it. So you can see another product will be open for us. And if I go to the dashboard is also fine. See the sidebar, and now we have to polish it successfully. We have to polish it beautifully so the customer will be happy by us. So the JavaScript is also fine, and this is also fine. See the JavaScript also fine, and this is a footer. So that is guys, and there are a profile section also. Profile, my profile setting, logout. So in the next video we will create the logout and the my profile. So Imam. So that's it guys. I am Imamur. Stay with me. So that's it guys. For today's class, I have made a Laravel project. I have made a product index.blade.php, create page and updated page and updated and a order page. So the order page is also important for us. In the next video, I will create a payment gateway, or also it will be added by SSL security, and the customer can payment us by this. So that's it for today. Please stay with me. Happy coding. I am Imamur. I am a learner and a web developer. So wait for the next video. Stay with me. Bye.